children, today is the story The Beautiful Bird. Once upon a time, there was a king who was very fond of hunting. One day, while out hunting, the king came across Beautiful Bird. The king was so impressed by the bird that he decided to take it back to his place. When the king returned to his palace, he put the bird in a cage and hung it in his room. The bird was very unhappy in the cage and missed its freedom. One day the king noticed that the bird had stopped singing and was very sad. The king asked the bird what was wrong, and the bird replied that it missed its freedom and wanted to